Hi guys, the new Supernova here, back at it with a new upload today. We will be playing Subway Surfers. This isn't my first time. I have been playing since like early 2014. When my cousin was 12, who is now 21 years old and doesn't even play the game anymore. Jesus, the game was so big back then. The game was so big in that era, most my family was playing it. But they all stopped like a year later, and I remember playing it with my older brother. On the iPad back when there was barely any characters. I stopped playing it almost a year ago. But still, this will bring a little nostalgia to me. I came back because there was this interesting new update where you could run underwater, so I reinstalled it, meaning my high score is erased. And I have to start from the scratch once again. My biggest high score was somewhere in the mills, so I'd say I was better than the try-hard show-offs in September. Not gonna lie, I was about tired of them, and took over 99.80% of the board one by one until unfortunately it was reset due to the timer on it. Even though they are thankfully gone, I'm still gonna try to become king. I always wondered what happened back when the game was in its prime, so enjoy my mission. I completely forgot this variation of the mystery boxes existed. Now look at these beauties. And apparently I somehow have 10,000 coins. So let's buy a skin. They finally added Dino back to the game. Bro is majestic. I'm finna get him later. Well, let's get Lucy then. I always wanted to dye my hair that color for some reason. Me after Deftones. Is it just me, or does all the guards' designer got him drip drip? Why on earth did they remove the tie-dye colors the jetpack originally had? They really added the Kraken in this game. It slipped ... on single quotes to you dare. That's gotta be my worst score. I forgot that variation of the mystery box existed as well. I feel like since they're adding the ocean in, they should make a game where you have a whole world to explore, but there has to be train tracks, because then it's not even Subway Surfers anymore. Himself dry once I beat his score. That is one unique railroad. Into the shark's mouth we go. Is that Nathaniel B? Why would there be lilipads in the ocean? But to be honest, seeing the top of the water is a sight to see. I am legit doing something in real life, while having to pay attention to the record button and the game, so I am very distracted. Okay, sorry guys, we're back. That was a technique used by one of the greatest players in the game. Okay, I am extremely stupid for making that decision. And what even happened to using keys to continue? I didn't even realize my high score was that high. I remember, and the tryhards that almost ruined the game said this was difficult. I just saw Frank Main. In my opinion, Frank is one of the best characters in the game, so if that's your signature character, you're just the instant W. I have never noticed that the Kraken had an eye in the corner of where its tentacles were. One of our goals is to simply unlock her, because I always wanted a holiday character besides Michaeli Jackson, who I'm also trying to get. Once Halloween comes again, she's at number 10, so she isn't too hard to get. I remember when Tank Bob was free, what happened? Never thought I'd be in love with the eyeball, but it happened. Now that I think of it, they should add a Megalodon or a Mega Piranha, even Cthulhu, who could guard one of the higher platforms and could catch you when you land on one, serving a guard-like purpose. It's not even an opinion that there are a lot of literal game-changing ideas that the developers of Cibo could bring to light. Now we have to beat Gilbert since we outmatched the Unholy Seven. Now if we'd had some keys to revive ourselves, we would have already been in the gold medal stage, almost in the 100,000s. The Viperfish looks more dope than Dom's Challenger.